Ever wondered where your hard-earned money goes? Why your paycheck feels lighter than expected? Or why monkeys in banana land are also screaming about deductions? Today, we're diving into the weird and wonderful world of tax, explained with monkeys and bananas. Yeah, because even monkeys pay them. Meet Monkey Ronaldo. Ronaldo works at Banana Corp, stacking bananas 9 to 5. He earns 10 bananas a week. Not bad, right? But when payday comes, Ronaldo gets only 7 bananas. 3 bananas ... are missing. He panics. Ronaldo, who stole my bananas? And to the banana government, they hand him a note. It's not stealing. It's called taxes. So, what are taxes? Taxes are like a shared banana jar. Every monkey throws in a few bananas, and in return, they get free monkey hospitals, banana roads, monkey military, little monkey schools. It's not theft. It's a subscription to civilization. Ronaldo, can I answer? Government. No. There's more than one kind of tax. Oh, yes. The banana empire has many ways to nibble your bananas. Let's break it down. 1. Income tax. If you earn bananas, the government takes a bite. 2. Sales tax. Buy a banana smoothie. You pay extra. That's sales tax. 3. Property tax on a banana tree. You pay to keep it. 4. Import tax bananas from another jungle. Pay up. Ronaldo is breathing taxed too. Narrator, not yet. Let's zoom in on income tax. The one Ronaldo hates most. Say Ronaldo earns 10 bananas. Depending on his income, he pays a certain percent in tax. This is called a progressive tax system. The more you earn, the more they take. Here's how it works. 1 to 5 bananas gives 10% tax. 6 to 10 bananas gives 20% tax. 11 plus bananas gives 30% tax. So, Ronaldo earning 10 bananas pays 2 bananas in tax. But if he earned 15 bananas, he'd fall into a higher bracket and pay more. That's why monkeys are always calculating how to hide bananas. But more on that later. Ronaldo's 3 missing bananas didn't just vanish. Monkey soldiers protecting banana land. Monkey police chasing banana thieves. Monkey doctors healing tail. Injurious banana school for baby chimps. It's all part of living in a monkey society. Ronaldo, I still want a refund. Now here's where it gets suspicious. Rich Monkey Rick owns a banana business. He pays his employees in bananas, but he pays almost no taxes. Loopholes, legal banana tricks, like writing off banana baskets as business expenses, moving his bananas to Banana Island, a tax haven Ronaldo, so the rich monkeys pay less. Sometimes that's the game. What if monkeys stopped paying taxes? No roads, no hospitals, no monkey police. No public bananas, just chaos. Monkey anarchy. Bananas stolen. Jungle on fire. Ronaldo crying. Taxes suck. But so does no civilization. Once a year, Ronaldo gets a letter. It's tax season. He freezes, he pulls out his banana receipts, his forms, his banana donation slips. Ronaldo, I donated 2 bananas to a sick gorilla that's deductible. Right. He hires a tax chimp to help. After 3 hours of tail-biting math, the tax chimp says, you own 1 more banana. Ronaldo, I hate this system. So now you know. Taxes are bananas taken to keep the jungle running. Some monkeys pay more. Some find tricks. But everyone contributes or faces the IRS, the International Revenue Service. So the next time you get paid and see your bananas disappear, remember, you're not alone. Even Ronaldo pays tax.